Jerry Courtney from Element Armour. Element Armour. He's going to show us how to break down the 10x10 all-weather tent that we just showed you. We have broken down the Satcom 1 meter TP100 from Holkirk, and now Jerry's going to show us how to break down the tent.
Locking sleeve for the hinge. So you break that down, just let that drop, and you do the same on all four corners. Basically just push in just a little bit to take the pressure off the hinge.
So all four corners have been broken down.
And then there's another one on top for the second one. So now we're going to do that one. Again, push in, pull, and it starts to kind of collapse on itself. And a little bit of hair will come out of it.
So really the only time you need a second individual to help you is in lifting the tent over a satellite antenna.
That's correct.
So by collapsing the legs together, it forces the air out.
Yeah. So it allows a big 10x10 tent to pack up smaller into a easily one-man portable. Just work your way around. Bring all the legs up to the center.
There are how many legs in total?
Four.
Four. One for each corner.
Yep.
As they fold down, they become pairs.
And then you roll.
So as Jerry completes the final stages here of disassembling the tent, we'll see that it takes roughly about 4.5 minutes in total to break down, fold up, put in a bag, and make your way on to your next site. Well done, Jerry.
Thank you.
Again, Element Armour. Jerry Courtney, thank you, from Holkirk.